I look absolutely nuts. Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. In this video, I'll be going from straight to curly. If you don't know, I did get my first silk press over a week ago. If you haven't seen that video, you can definitely check it out. But now it's time to wash my hair. My hair has definitely reverted at the roots. These are day 3 curls, and technically I could finesse it and wear a puff or a bun or something for the next few days, but I just want to see if my curls are back, to be honest. Like, did I get heat damage? Did I get heat damage? We're about to find out right now. But if you are new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face, definitely make sure to subscribe so you can stick around. Give this video a thumbs up. A like goes such a long way to support my channel. I will link everything that I'm using down below. So if you want to pick something up, always click a link and save a life. It does support my channel. It keeps the content going, and I will love you forever. It's time! Tis the season! If you're not new here, then you already know I'm gonna start with a pre-pull. Today I'll be trying out the Pattern Breakage Barrier Hair Mask. It literally looks and acts like honey. Y'all see that? Ew! No, that's gonna be dope. I'm kind of excited. I'll also be using the Pattern Steamer. Both of these products were sent to me in PR, but y'all know how I am. I keep it real. I actually have a dedicated video on Pattern, like when they first came out with their original products, and I kept it very honest in that video. So if you haven't seen my review of Pattern, you can check it out. It's a very old video. It was a long time ago. Either way, I freaking love this steamer. I absolutely love it. I've used it every single wash day since I got it for my pre-poo step. I also have used it to refresh and re-moisturize my hair, and it works amazingly that way as well. This is a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. I absolutely love it. I no longer have a hooded steamer. Mine broke and I just haven't repurchased it, but I get my steaming from my handhelds, and I really haven't seen any negative effects to my hair. So if you don't have the space for a hooded steamer and you really just don't want one, this handheld is amazing, and I can't imagine a pre-poo session without it. That's how much I love this stuff, and I highly recommend it, truly, honestly. Can't say enough good things about it. So let's turn around and get this party started. Y'all see that? Such a good time. Such a good time. And I usually use the diffuser attachment. They also have the prongs that you can use to detangle your hair. But y'all know I don't really like using tools to rake through my hair, so I mostly use this. So get close, get to my roots. Going in with my spritz. Applying it everywhere. Now we're gonna go in with some of the Pattern, emulsify it, and then apply. Yeah, it don't really got slit. Girl, why my hair looking 3C? Please curl back. Why my hair looking 3C? I also love that you can pause it so you can detangle, do whatever you need to do, and you're not wasting the water in the process. I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going, but I don't know. Not me using Tracy Ellis Ross products and now having curls like her. That would be such a gag.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Come through curls. First of all, come through curls. So I think my hair is reverting nicely. It looks a bit loose, a little bit. Hoping as I wash off these oils and like humidity proof products and all that, like my actual kinkier texture will pop through. Cause I got curls, but they're looking mighty silky. Mighty silky. But looks shiny though. Y'all see any heat damage? What y'all think? These curls in the front looking suspect. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna go into the shower and wash it out. I'll be going in with my favorite maintenance shampoo. This is the Olaplex number 4. And then to follow it up, I'll be going in with a hydrating shampoo. No one talks about this product. It's a newer product. This is the Eva NYC H2O hydrating shampoo. Literally one of the most hydrating shampoos at the drugstore. I definitely love a bougie moment. I have a lot of expensive products that I love, but I also love a good affordable drugstore find. Really, 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 really great hydrating shampoo. I'm just going to let some music play. We're going to vibe out in the shower, and then I'm going to come back and do my treatment. So see you in a little bit. Alright, y'all, I'm out of the shower. I just put on my Aquis towel to soak up some of the excess water. Let's see what my hair looks like now that we've shampooed. So I took the braids down. It's only been 30 minutes of air drying. Usually I do an hour, but girl, I ain't got time for that. We're trying to get her done things are looking good. I do honestly, if I'm gonna be honest, I do see a few looser areas. I'm not gonna hold you. Like this front section looks kind of loose to me. I think I saw like a back section that looked kind of loose as well. But some people say that your first wash after the silk press is not like the final look of your hair. I've never had a silk press, so I don't know. And the last time I flat ironed my hair, once again, I damaged the fuck out of it. So, anyway, we're gonna go in with my treatment. I'm going to do Olaplex number 2. Olaplex number 2 is just the salon version of Olaplex number 3. It's literally the exact same product. I just know people, and I know people that know people, so I have access to the salon size. But hear me out. If you don't know people, or you don't know people that know people, and you're not getting this product, the salon size, directly from a distributor, directly from Cosmoprof, Salon Centric, wherever cosmetologists, nail techs, and those girlies go, please do not buy it. Please stop buying your Olaplex from random places online. If it's not a guaranteed Olaplex distributor, please stop buying Olaplex from these bootleg resellers. You're playing with your hair and you're playing with your life. And I hate that for you. Please stop doing it. I've seen some of y'all comment some crazy things over the years. If you're not getting it directly from Olaplex or Olaplex distributors, please just don't do it. I really recommend, for the most part, just going directly to Sephora or Ulta. I will leave those links down below. I like high-key don't always trust Amazon when it comes to prestige products either. That's just me though. Influencers don't know nothing, so I don't know nothing but nothing. But that's what I do. So let's see. My hair feels good actually. It doesn't feel dry, even though I haven't followed up with a conditioner. I literally just shampooed my hair, as y'all saw. My hair actually feels good. When I do Olaplex, I have to wash my hair before Olaplex. When I first used Olaplex many years ago, you can click the video right here. I applied it like Olaplex recommended on dry hair as like a pre-poo, and that's how most people use it. But I don't think you're gonna get the best benefits from Olaplex if you use it that way. And I've talked about that in my dedicated comprehensive Olaplex video. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. We use a lot of oils, we use a lot of butters, heavy gels, heavy products. And once you have all of that stuff on your hair, Olaplex I don't think is going to be able to really penetrate into your hair and repair and maintain the health of your hair, because it has so much products to work through. I use Olaplex as a post-poo product as opposed to a pre-poo product. That's just me. That's how I recommend using Olaplex. People have tried my method and they've seen better results using it that way too. Again, I'm an influencer. I don't know nothing but nothing. And I just go in with it. That's it. And I've learned that, at least for me, Olaplex don't have much slip. I really don't see it as a slippery product, so I'm not even going to try to really rake it through. I never follow up Olaplex with a deep conditioner just because of pure laziness. What I will do most often is follow up with a rinse out conditioner. Depending on how my hair looks and feels today, I may follow up with a rinse out or I may not. Usually I do, but we'll play it by ear just because I'm trying to do as minimal steps as possible. I want to keep my hair healthy and I want to grow it long, but also I can't work too hard. I just don't have it in me to work as hard as I used to. I want to do the least to get the most results. Make sure that you're separating your hair and getting in there. You see this? This is a whole section of hair that doesn't have any product. Make sure you go through your sections and really separate your hair and work the product in. A lot of us just slap product in and wonder why we have sections that break off or are really dry. Sometimes it's us. I know when it comes to me and my breakage, my hair is fragile, but it's me. It's me. A lot of it is on me. Girl, what is this? That's loose. Yeah, that's loose, y'all. That's crazy loose. It's always been a little bit looser, but this looseness, questionable. Very questionable. But a little bit extra of Olaplex. Come on, Olaplex. Come on, Olaplex. Come on, girl. Get her together. Yes, this section is... This is definitely looser. Yeah, that's looser. That's not my texture at all. And it's just here. Just this little individual curl. Yeah, I think that's a bit looser. Like that's looking a little sad on the ends. The flat iron was definitely on 450 degrees, okay? It was turned up. We're gonna let this sit. Ooh. We're gonna braid my hair up. We're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes with heat to allow it to penetrate. And we'll go from there. Hey Siri, put on a timer for 5 minutes.